Hi everyone, welcome back to Robinson's World. In today's tutorial, we are building a super fun Python project, a guess the number game. This is a great exercise for beginners to learn about loops, conditional statements, and user input. Let's dive in. The concept of the game is simple. The program picks a secret number and the player tries to guess it. The program will give hints whether the guess is too high, too low, or correct. Once the player guesses the right number, they win. Here is an example. If the secret number is 7 and the user guesses 5, the program will say too low. Let's see how to code this. First, let's set up a secret number. In this tutorial, we are using a fixed number, but you can later enhance this by choosing a random number. Here we define a secret number as 7. Then we display a welcome message and explain the rules to the player. You can customize the secret number or use the random module to make it dynamic. We will discuss this later. Next, we'll create a loop that keeps asking the player for a guess until they get it right. Here's how it works. We use a while true loop, to continuously ask the player for their guess. The player's guess is converted to an integer using the int input function. Then we compare their guess with the secret number. Based on the comparison, the program gives feedback. If the guess is higher than the secret number, it says too high. If it's lower than, it says too low. And if the guess is correct, it says congratulations, and ends the game using the break statement. This feedback loop keeps the game interactive and helps the player refine their guesses. Let's run the full program now and see how it works. I will try guessing a few numbers to demonstrate how the program responds. As you can see, the game gives the right feedback each time and ends when guessed the correct secret number. It's simple, fun, and works perfectly. To make the game even better, here are few ideas. Use random module to generate a random secret number. Add a counter to track the number of attempts the player takes. Provide an option to restart the game after a correct guess. Set a limited number of guesses to make it more challenging. Let me show you how to use the random module quickly. With random.randint 1 to 10, the secret number is now randomly chosen each time the game starts. And that's it. You have built a fully functional guess the number game in Python. I hope you had fun coding this and learned something new along the way. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to Robinson's World for more beginner-friendly Python projects. Got any feedback or suggestions for future tutorials? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.